So now you guys understand what is artificial intelligence, okay, and what is NLP. So basically we have thought it's the part of AI, and the next we have is GPT, that is Generative Pre-Trained Transformer. Okay, short form we call it as a GPT. So basically we have just told you that with the help of NLP we can make AI understand our human language, and similarly according to that AI can give us response, so we can understand their response because they talk like we humans. Okay, so how the natural language processing are trained? So my friends, they are trained on various AI models. So in simple, GPT is AI model that helps AI to do natural language processing in a very simple language. So we have lots of GPT model 1, GPT model 2, and currently we have GPT model 3, which is equals to ChatGPT. So in simple, GPT-3 is nothing, it's ChatGPT. Okay, so another name of GPT-3 is ChatGPT in a very simple language. So understand this, not very complicated. NLP, you have understand the meaning. So how AI can do natural language processing, that means how robots and AI can understand what we are saying to them, how they can respond, so we humans can understand their language. So that is possible through natural language processing because it helps to build human language connection between AI and we humans. Okay, so to do NLP we require lots of AI models. So one of the famous model is GPT, that is Generative Pre-Trained Transformer. Okay, and currently we are using GPT-3, that is nothing but Chat GPT. Okay,